Hi, this is Chris from the product team at Terminal49, and today I'm excited to share with you that we've released custom fields. We built custom fields because many of our customers have asked, how do I map or keep ERP or TMS data in Terminal49? Or how do I manage my workflows? They're currently in spreadsheets, but I want to have this right next to visibility-based data right there in Terminal49 to create that single shared source of truth or that shared context for you to work with your team. So let me share a little bit more about how this could be handled. So what is enabled for your account? You can see in settings that you have custom fields, all the custom fields that you can create for yourself. You see I've been creating some in my test account, and in create fields, I have a full selection of multiple data types: text, numbers, dates, times, and select and single select. That way, the input that you're adding to Terminal49 is structured, it can be sorted and filtered. And of course, you could link this data to a shipment or container, which means you could describe that shipment and container to be a little bit more flexible and modeled more to your business needs. And where can you see this? It's in the containers dashboard. In your views, you're able to configure your views in columns. You go and add custom shipment fields or custom container fields. Just click add, and it's available to you. You could input these values at the time of tracking through the CSV upload. You could update through the container dashboard itself by editing containers and these fields, or in the shipment detail page. You see that right there when you're diving deep to address container issues. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out with questions or how this feature has helped you. Excited to chat more.